Quick comparison, halogen, self-explanatory here. So I'm super critical on, keep on losing my balance. I'm super critical on the tone of yellow this is. I want to make sure there's no like green undertone. I think as it turns on initially, it is a bit green, but it warms up for a nice little golden yellow. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed to the other side. But this is the night and day difference. It looks like the output is a lot better too. To take these off, you got two clips right here. They just twist out and pull out. This is very brittle. Be careful. My tab on the bumper already kind of phased out. This bolt right here, and this might be unnecessary, but it's a bolt right there. There's a clip right there that actually broke off. That might also be unnecessary. Due to the brittleness of this plastic, I'll probably just leave this right here and try my best to reach into the fog light housing, twist that out. Got it out the housing, twist that to the left to loosen it. These are directional based on polarity. Just pop this off, it goes in one way. So it's in. Keep in mind, this is a 20-year-old car or older or newer, but this fender liner is very rigid, not a lot of play. So it's a little bit more task than what it should be. Just use your own discretion on how to bend too far, not far at all anyway. I'm gonna put this back. Basically, this tucks underneath this lip right here. And then everything should fall into place. Put everything back on how you took it off. We're all good on the install, but now with proper Toyota Lexus. First car's a 960 S300, had the OEM yellow projector fog lights. This yellow is very bright and it kind of washes a bit of the color out on the daytime, but we'll see how it is at night. So I went ahead and got Diode Dynamics SL2s 3000K. I just didn't like the green undertone to this fog light, the one from Amazon. It's exactly what I was trying to avoid. So the Diode Dynamics is a lot brighter. Even though it's daylight, you can kind of see the reflection right here. And back up so you can see the difference. May not show up on the camera, but the left is a lot more green. I just can't tolerate it. You can see the reflection difference too. So we're gonna go ahead and send the Amazon one back on the passenger side. We're gonna keep the Diode Dynamics and we're gonna aim those, make sure we're not glaring nobody. But it's all around just a better bulb. Worth the money in comparison. You can really see it right there. Night and day. Here's a real good shot. So if you look at the reflection of the housing, yellow. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Change the exposure up a little bit. Bring that down, okay. So look at that hue, it's a proper yellow. Now we're gonna jump over here. It's green, bro. And a lot of people may not be sensitive to that, but I am. I grew up in the halogen era. So I don't want no green, yellow bulbs. Like my wife said, this is why I knew it had to go. So it looked like the lime juice you get from the liquor store. So we all set. We're gonna go ahead and swap it out. That's the difference between the two. We're gonna yank them out, put the good ones in.